round 2, another obstacle course. We got some zigzags, kind of hidden treats. We got another zigzag here with another hidden treat. We got a treat in between the couch and right there, and then 2 treats in her bed, so she goes. And then, let's see how she does. Zigzags, see if she goes straight, or if she goes crooked. Oh, and if it's winter outside, so if you want me to do a piggy pulling me, leave a comment saying do it or subscribe. And okay, let's do it with the zigzags. Ready, Peach? Go. Come on, Peach. Come on. First zigzag, pass. First 2 zigzags, pass. She's going straight. She found her treat. Let's go over here. She's still eating her treat. Okay, 2 treats in there. She crawled through, and she's got them. Okay, now somehow we gotta get her to see if she will go get her zigzagged treats. She just went straight, but you know dogs, can't control them. Okay, Peach, let's go get your other treats. Come on. Peaches, come here. Come here. It's dark in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Peach. Check your zigzags. Oh, she found that treat. She's eating it. Okay. Peach, come here. Go here. Go here. She found it. I had to show her that time. But we used pillows, boxes, just everything. If you want me to do my dog pulling me, my other dog, Pig, pulling me, leave a comment, do it, say do it. Or if you want another maze, put more maze or something. Okay. She thinks there's more treats over here, but there's not. So, she went through, I think. Yep, there she is. Okay. Like and subscribe. See you soon.